How to recover a hacked Snapchat account. Now, if you've opened Snapchat and something has felt off, maybe you were suddenly locked out. Maybe your password stopped working. Maybe your friends are telling you, why are you posting weird stuff? Or worse, you try to log in and Snapchat says account not found or incorrect password. Now, that usually means one thing, okay? Your Snapchat has been completely hacked. And in 2026, Snapchat hacks are more common than people think, especially because attackers don't need advanced hacking tools. Now, most of the time, they just trick you into giving away access, and here's the scary part. Snapchat is not just chats anymore. It holds private messages, saved memories, snap map activity, private media in my eyes only, streaks you've maintained for years. So when you lose it, it does feel quite personal. But here's the good news. In most cases, you can recover your Snapchat account even if the hacker changed your password or locked you out completely. And I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. So let's start off with the fastest recovery method. So before we fix it, you need to understand how it happened because Snapchat hacks are almost never brute force attacks. They're usually social engineering. And here are the most common ways. So first of all, you have fake login pages. You get a message like your account will be deleted, log in here to verify. You click it, it looks exactly like Snapchat. You enter your username and password, and boom, the attacker now has your login. Secondly, password reuse. If your Snapchat password is the same as your Instagram, Gmail, Facebook, or any old account, that service is going to get leaked. Attackers try it on Snapchat automatically. Thirdly, there's verification code scams. Someone says, I accidentally sent my Snapchat code to your number. Can you send it back? That code is actually your login key. Now, the moment you share it, they take over your account. So, yeah, most hacks are not high tech, they're just manipulation. So, let's fix it. Now, if you still have access to your email or phone number linked to Snapchat, this is going to be your best case scenario. Basically, you're going to open up your Snapchat login screen. And once you open that up, of course, you're going to hit tap on forgot your password. In that case, you're going to get two options via phone or via email. Okay. Now, once you do that, choose whichever still works. Snapchat is going to send a verification code or a reset link. And you can use this on your browsers as well. So if we come over here and hit Snapchat forgot password, it's going to give you the web Snapchat where you can pretty much go ahead and reset your Snapchat password from here. So you can do this on phone, but you can also do this on a laptop or PCs as well. So once you have done this, you're going to go ahead, reset things up, enter it, and create a new password, and you're pretty much back in. And here is what's going to happen next. The moment you reset your password, Snapchat is going to automatically log out of all other devices. So the hacker gets kicked out instantly. Now, that is why your speed is going to matter. So, if you act quickly, you can pretty much stop them before they do any permanent damage. But if the hacker already changed your email or phone, then we move to the harder recovery path. And this is where most people think, okay, it's over. Trust me, it's not. Snapchat has a full recovery system, but it's not instant. Go to the Snapchat Support Center, and in your Snapchat Support Center, here you have all of these, different things. So in one of these, you can go ahead with, I think my account was hacked. Now, your hacked section will appear anywhere over here. Okay. If it doesn't, you can go ahead and write my account is hacked. Okay. And this obviously comes in the, Snapchat General Support Center. If you don't find it here, you can simply come over to your browser and Snapchat. you can write Snapchat account hacked. Now, once we write this in, what Snapchat does is it obviously loads us into the section where it takes us to a recovery form. So here it says my account is compromised. You're going to click on over to that, and it's going to take you to the main page. Now, once we're over here, my account is compromised, it's going to tell you all of these things. So it tells you to change your password, then session management, and all of that. But if that doesn't work, you can simply say no, and it's going to take you to a recovery form. Now, people are going to rush the recovery form. They're going to type in random info, and they guess different things. And then Snapchat is obviously going to reject the request. You need to be pretty precise with it. So what you should include is your Snapchat username, the email you think was linked, and the phone number, even if you changed it, when you last accessed the account, what suspicious activity you noticed. The goal is going to be consistency. Snapchat system checks patterns, login history, device fingerprints, location patterns, previous account activity. If your answers match old behavior, recovery becomes more likely. If they don't, it simply gets rejected. So don't go ahead and guess wildly. Approximation is okay, randomness is not. Now, let's say the worst has happened. The hacker has changed your password, changed your email, maybe even removed your phone number. You try logging in and nothing really works. So at this point, you must use Snapchat support's hacked account flow. And this is pretty important. Do not create a new account with the same email or phone while recovery is in progress. That can go ahead and confuse the system and reduce your chances of reclaiming the original account. Now, if Snapchat actually goes ahead and confirms suspicious activity, they may temporarily lock the account, or worse, restore access after verification. But again, it is not instant. Sometimes it can take hours, sometimes it can take even longer than that. And yes, I do agree, it is pretty frustrating. But Snapchat does not rush these cases because they're trying to prevent real account theft. So let's talk about something people panic about the most. My eyes only. If your account is hacked, can that be recovered? Short answer, yes, but only if you regain full account access. Snapchat is going to encrypt that section behind your PIN and account login. So if you recover your account, you regain access. If you don't recover the account, your data is fully gone. And there is no back door, no secret recovery tool, no bypass. And that's intentional for privacy. So your only real focus is recover the account itself. If you successfully recover your Snapchat account, don't just relax and move on because hacked accounts often get targeted again. Do these immediately. Firstly, change your passwords as you go on, just there and then. Not similar, not reused, completely fresh. Secondly, enable 2FA for yourself. And once you've cleared all of that, make sure your password is standalone. So yeah, getting hacked on Snapchat feels like someone just walked into your personal space and took control. So, in most cases, recovery is absolutely possible if you act quickly and follow the right steps. If this video helped you out, do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.